Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Life Captured. So today we are gonna unbox a new Babyliss compact hair dryer and the 2-in-1 straightener cum curler. So we got these two in a combo offer in UAE for 200 dirhams. And the links for buying this combo in UAE and India are given below in the description, and in India it costs around 5,000 rupees. And we're going to use them and tell you how they are, and we're going to give their reviews. Let's get into the video. So now let's unbox this. So this is the new Babyliss Compact 2100 watt hair dryer, and it has a very compact design which makes it easier for when you're traveling or when you want to carry it when you're traveling to some new places. So this has a fast drying technology and it has 3 speeds in it and the cool shot, and it comes with a concentrated nozzle. So now let's use them and see how it works. So this is the compact hair dryer from Babyliss, which uses the part 2100 watts, and it also comes with a detachable concentrator nozzle. Coming to the speeds, it has 3 adjustable speeds in it, 1, 2 and 3, and it originally has hot air coming out of it, and here is the cool shot option. So whenever you press this button, you get the cool air from it, so you can use it according to your needs. When you want hot air or cool air or the speeds, it's completely adjustable, and that is the best part about this hair dryer. So since it is a compact hair dryer, it will become very easy for you when it comes to travel. You can carry it in your suitcase and your luggage. So this hair dryer comes with a 2-year warranty. So now let's use it and see how it works. It's currently on 0. So now let's put it on 1. So now we are going to unbox the 2-in-1 straightener cum curler from Babyliss. So now let's see the specifications of this product. This is a 2-in-1 straightener cum curler, and it has 2 modes in it, which is intense and protect. So the main 3 features of this hair straightener cum curler is, first thing is that you can use this on both wet and dry hair, and second thing, which is the most important thing that you have to see when you are going to buy a hair straightener or a curler, is the plates that it has. So for this one, it is a diamond ceramic plate, and the third one is that it has a digital temperature settings. So now let's switch it on and see how well it works. So yes, we switched it on, and now there's a small power button over here. Okay, so now it's switched on, and you can see that it has different temperature settings in it, starting all the way from 140 degrees Celsius. You keep pressing the protect button, it goes to 200 and it comes down to 180, 160 and then 140. So intense is when you need intense temperatures, like when you have a curly hair. So it goes to 220 and then to 235 degrees Celsius, which being the highest. So now that we finished straightening our entire hair and we tried it on, and it works so well for us, and it is really good. And now the left out part is just curling our hair, and now let's go ahead and do some curling. Can you guys see the curl? So yeah, the curl did turn out pretty good, and if you say this curler works really well, but it's us who don't know how to do the curling properly. We have to learn that part. See, that is one perfect curl. I'm the one who doesn't know how to do curling properly, so I have to learn that part, but the curler works really good and it's impressive. So before you curl with this curler, learn how to curl if you don't know. So after using this curler, I would like to say that this product does a job well, and I really liked how it works on our hair. And for beginners like us, it is really difficult to curl your hair using this, so you should prefer learning it before you use it. Yeah, even we had to go through YouTube and learn how to do the curling, and we were still not very good at it. I guess we'll be good at it in the future. So I think for the price range and the combo offer, I think this was worth it. All the straightener, curler and the hair dryer, I think all the three were worth it for the price and the working.
And if you know any other better products in this price range, do tell us in the comment section below.
And if you like our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.